This English vocabulary quiz consists of 25 questions, which will assess your competence in using the appropriate word in the given context. Are you ready? Let's get started. Dinner is nearly ready. Can you? The table, Martha. Can you? Me, how to use this phone. I left my umbrella at home, so I got in the rain. My phone battery is low. I must. It. Please turn. The music? It's too loud. This is the where the king lives. Susan never. Her bed in the morning. Don't forget to. The lights when you leave. The weather became, so we stayed inside. The doctor told her to avoid foods to stay healthy. She bought a reusable to carry her groceries. My laptop needs more to run faster. I need to open this bottle. The children played in the after school. I need to cut the paper. The camera lens was not clear because of I bought fresh. At the market. Turn off the before you leave. Please wear your when you ride a bike. We need to buy a for the party. He spread butter with a. The teacher gave us a to read. The engineer checked the machine for any. Please update the software to the latest. The printer stopped because the paper got. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful content. See you in our next videos.